Hey guys, Lucas here from Vintage Surplus, and today we're going to go over just the basic types of pouches to have on any level of kit. Not specific brands or specific like type individual of that pouch, but the types of pouches, broad category you should have for any level of kit from beginner to advanced and all that in between. So we'll take a look at those and just you can get an idea if you never built a kit up before, what to look for, and kind of get you a good head start. Okay, so we're going to go through. I got 4 or 5 different categories of pouches to have for any level of kit, and just we're going to go from basic and to kind of like the stuff that you might not need necessarily, but I think you should have for any level of kit just because it's good to have on you. Again, this isn't going to be specific brands or specific type of a pouch, just broad category going over each one. So first off, magazine. So you want to be able to carry magazines if you're carrying a rifle around for any level of kit. Most of these are going to be based off like the AR-15 and carrying that around, but go from there, find the pouch that's going to fit your rifle best and the magazine types you got. So most standard way, most basic way is going with the triple mag pouch. So triple mag pouch, your shingle is going to give you the ability to carry 3 magazines just right on your kit anywhere you're going to put it. If you have a flick right on the front, plate carrier, add on to the front, you have a belt kit on the belt. Anywhere you're going, you can carry 3 magazines, good to go, and you can spice up the retention different ways. You have button flaps, you have shock cord tops, you have Kydex inserts, all sorts of things. So your standard shingle triple mag pouch is a good way to go. If you go with like a standard USGI one, you're going to have MOLLE in the front, so you can stack stuff on front. You can stack 2 of these, have 6 mags, good to go, all that jazz. So this is the most basic way to carry your magazines is a shingle. We'll go we'll go another one as well. Another type of magazine pouch you could have category-wise, double mag pouch. So you can carry 2 of your typical AR magazines right here, ready to go. You can kind of switch these up a little more than a triple mag because you can put one here, one there, change it up a little bit, or you have 3 right side by side. You can carry your 6 magazines, easy to go, easy to get to, and these are used everywhere for a reason because it's just the easiest way to carry a magazine. Another inside that magazine pouch category, you have your single mag pouches. This one's a pretty simple speed reload from the Marine Corps. It gives you the ability to carry 1 standard AR-15 magazine right in there. It's got good, just a grippy retention, and you carry 1 magazine just ready to go. And this gives you the ability to keep it a little more slim, change it up where you're putting it, on your belt, on the side of your kit, or on the front if you want to keep it really slim. Just put 3 of these there, something like that. So magazine pouches are pretty much the most critical part of your kit because, well, not most critical, but one of the top 2 critical parts of your kit, because if you're going to go out there with the kit, to the range, just LARP around the mountains or whatever it is, you got to carry magazines, right? So magazine pouches, probably the most essential part other than the next part. The next most essential is an IFAK. So you want to be able to carry a first aid kit on you and have that first aid kit built up to the level of expertise you have. So don't put all sorts of crazy stuff in there just because you saw some guy on the internet tell you, put all this stuff in your IFAK if you don't know how to use it. So get an IFAK pouch. The bigger the better at the end of the day, but also tailor it to what you really need. So ability to carry a bandage, some quick clot kind of gauze, some other gauze, a tourniquet, chest seal, all that stuff, whatever you know how to use. Have the ability to carry that in a pouch, right in your kit, wherever it is, on your left, your right, your belt, your back, in your pocket. IFAK pouches, a pretty big critical part of any kit. I would say right up against magazines. So even if you don't have magazines, you want an IFAK. Next kind of just like standardized kind of pouch you want for your kit is a general purpose pouch. Because general purpose pouch, this one isn't specifically a general purpose pouch, but it works great as a general purpose pouch. But your general purpose pouch can allow you to carry all those little bits and things you want on your person, knives, notes, pens, rope, compasses, all sorts of crazy things that you want to carry. The general purpose pouch allows you to do that. And you get all sorts of different types, retention, internal compartments to organize, elastic bands, all sorts of stuff. If you need just basic one, if you need more advanced, you need more advanced. But, 1 to 2 general purpose pouches across your kit, a backpack, belt, is never a bad thing to have. And then last, something that might not everybody needs, but is a good one to have in general, is an admin pouch of some sort. Now the admin pouch allows you to keep maps, notes, pens, paper, compasses, just all those little things that you might want on you in the mountains or LARPing around if you want to get hold of your buddies. An admin pouch is the easiest way to keep it organized and in a low profile manner just to get to, and keep it just there, easy to reach. So definitely think about these 4 different types of pouches. Again, you have magazine pouch, IFAK, general purpose pouch, and an admin pouch. Allows you to pretty much do anything you want. You can tailor that to your needs as far as how many of each you need. Maybe you want a really big IFAK, really small GP, really big admin, stuff like that. So yeah, so any level of kit though, this can really apply to that, because that's kind of how you build the foundation of your kit off of. And then find what fits you best. Maybe triple mag pouches and what you need, but you need a bunch of doubles. That's fine. It's based off what you need and what you're gonna do. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Just a broad scope, what to look at if you're beginning, or you don't have a really good idea where to go for your next kit. Just things to look at and kind of a direction to go. So make sure you have VentureSurplus.com, VentureSurplus.com, and check out all the pouches we've got. Start your kit up. Let us know how it goes.